because I really need these products for my next project. I needed to find it on AliExpress and buy it. And of course they are cheap. And what is it? For $1 from AliExpress you will get 2 pieces, and you can choose 100 watts or 50 or 25 or 10 watts aluminum power metal shell case wire wound resistor resistance load resistor from 0.1 ohm, 3 ohm, 50 ohm. You can choose whatever resistance you need. Take a look, there are a lot of them you can choose, and I needed 50 watts 6 ohms, and I ordered 4 pieces 50 watts 6 ohm resistor that I will use in my project for load or for testing. I ordered it and I got them. Oh, I expect bubbles. Ooh, beautiful color. Oh, such a beauty. And they are big. 50 watts 6 ohm resistor with a heatsink, and this is a great anti-fire isolation on the wires. Beautiful. Also in the package beside the resistors you will get these connectors. For each resistor you will get for two of them, and they are fast connectors for connecting the wires from the resistor to your project. Alright, okay, first thing that I will do, I will measure the resistance of the resistor using my multimeter, of course. Just take a look of the quality. It's cheap and maybe you can't believe, but this is very well made. I love them. Alright. Okay, let's measure the resistance first with this multimeter, which is one of my best. It's set on resistance, and what it says, 6.35 ohms. Alright, and now I'm gonna use this cheap rechargeable multimeter that I got from AliExpress, and it's pretty decent with nice screen. I'm gonna set it on. Okay, this is the resistance. 6.1, 6.2, 6.1, 6.2. Alright, let's go to auto, maybe it will be different. Oh, I missed it. Out. Let's go again with beeping signal, 6.2. Alright, it's close. Okay, first I'm gonna hold it by this third hand, turning on my power supply, go, let's say, to 20 volts, and we're gonna see how much current is pulling this 50 watts 6 ohms and at 20 volts. Ooh, 20 volts times 3 amperes is around 65 watts. It's not getting. Oh, it's warmer now. Alright, and I'm gonna go to almost 30 volts, and how? Oh, 5 amperes. 30 volts times 5 amperes is 150 watts, and it's hot. And it's hot, very hot. I'm gonna use my laser thermometer to see the Temperature. Ooh, 100 degrees, 110 degrees. Beautiful. Why I'm saying it's very hot? Why I'm saying it's beautiful? Because these resistors, you can use them for your projects, let's say for load, but also you can use them for generating heat. Once you plug into the power, they will produce a heat, a very big amount of heat, or you can use them just for load, for testing. I love them because they have aluminum heat sinks. They are very well made and they are not expensive. The link will be in the description below, so you can check it. As I told you, you can choose different types with different resistance and watts. This was a short video or short demonstration of the product that I found on AliExpress, in this case resistors. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! And yes, there is a smell of burning, which is good.